How to use Spotify instead of Apple Music. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Spotify to open music instead of Apple Music. Apple, like all other companies, wants to keep you in its ecosystem and thus increase the use of its applications. This can be useful because being in one ecosystem can greatly facilitate the use of certain services. However, when it comes to music, this can be a problem because a lot more people use Spotify instead of Apple Music. Today, we will direct our Shazam application to open songs in Spotify instead of Apple Music application by clicking Discovery. All we need is to open our Shazam application. When the application has opened, we will pull down the menu located in the lower part of the screen. When we open the menu, we will find the gear icon in the upper left corner and tap on it. The first option that opens is to choose which application Shazam will open when it finds a song. By default, it is Apple Music. We will select this application with a simple tap on the Connect button located next to the Spotify icon. A pop-up window will ask us if we want to allow the Shazam application to open Spotify. We will confirm our decision by clicking the Open button. A window will open with a text that tells us what this connection actually means. We will scroll to the bottom and confirm our decision by clicking the Agree button. And that is all. Now Shazam will open the discovered music through the Spotify application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Spotify tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.